Hey guys, we received this ProtoArc Foldable keyboard and mouse set XKM01 for test and try. It's a true full-size folding keyboard and the mouse combo, and you can see it comes in a really nice gift box, so it's pretty good and premium packing that give an impression that this product is really good for the gifting as well. So this have this hard case, so this makes my opinion really nice for the quality and the carry on this travel pace. So it's a nice handle and the premium zipper, smooth and easy to use. And now you can see like it's a folding keyboard and the mouse with a stand, so it's a really nice set and very nice keyboard folding. This is the mouse, charging cable. So first impression is of my this carry case. It's a really nice carry case and this is a very nice design and thin style with this stand. So I will show you this stands little later on, but this is a stand where you can put in your tablet or the mobile, and just to show up the things. So this is the rechargeable design, so this have a dongle, so this you can actually do a three ways. I will show that later on. So you can directly use this dongle, or you can also attach this with the Bluetooth directly without the dongle. So three way you can attach this. One is with the Bluetooth dongle and the Bluetooth 1 or the Bluetooth 2. You can also charge this with this supplied USB-C cable. You can also charge your keyboard with this USB-C cable. So rechargeable ones. And now it comes to this keyboard, very nice design and the premium quality, where you can charge this keyboard also with this USB-C cable. So this is a nice thing that you don't have to carry the batteries with you, and you can just recharge. And now is a full size keyboard with this magnetic click that I feel while opening it, and is a full kill with a nice hinges where it is really worthy, and you can use like back and forth with the closing and opening. So see, like the hinges quality is also nice with this magnetic click stuff. So the hinges are of the really nice quality, and see like the way they have handled it. It's non-pinching hinges where you can also see this magnetic click here. So it's a more durable quality for the hinges as well, and a full size keyboard for your travel purpose. So you can adjust the height or the angle with this stand, and then put your mobile or anything here and then use. So here I am attaching two, one is the iPad and other is Android phone. So I'm attaching two things with the Bluetooth. The connection is pretty straightforward, as you can see, and attach very nicely. And you have to attach mouse separately and the keyboard separately with your devices. With the dongle you can use both together, but with the Bluetooth you have to attach these things separately. So see, like the mouse thing is working very nice, smooth mouse, and with the iPad there is no issue while using it. With the keyboard also I am just typing in and it goes really smooth. No issues with the typing or setting up of anything. As this is a full size, I can easily put my full hands and use that. See, with the working wise I do not see or feel any issue. They are smooth, and the noise is also not there's really very less noise, I will say, or almost none. And then you can see, like with the Bluetooth 1 and Bluetooth 2, I can select and connect two devices. Also I can connect a PC if I want to with the dongle, so I can connect actually three devices, but right now I'm trying to test these two. So see, like I am now typing on my mobile, and if I click on Bluetooth 1 I can keep typing on the iPad, and I can switch easily with the click of a button between the two devices simultaneously where I want to use this. So Bluetooth 2, and now it will come on the mobile. So it's pretty good, pretty nice. And once you are done, you can easily just fold this and just pack it and take it with this supplied solid box, travel box. So really nice set, I will say, and I like all this premium quality, especially the travel case, and also the premium hinge quality to have this of the keyboard where I can easily feel with the grip and the grounds. And also is a small size, I can easily put in and store it back with a multiple device connection at one time. So very nice overall, this travel case or the travel keyboard and mouse with a Bluetooth connection and the nice carry case.